Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to integrate Bigin CRM with WhatsApp 2025. Without further ado, let's get started. Integrating Bigin CRM with WhatsApp in 2025 provides businesses with a seamless way to enhance customer communication, streamline operations, and increase sales. Customer relationship management or CRM systems like Beacon are designed to help businesses manage customer interactions, automate tasks, and improve customer satisfaction. WhatsApp, on the other hand, is a widely used messaging platform with over 2 billion active users, making it a crucial tool for businesses to engage with customers. By connecting WhatsApp with Big N CRM, businesses can centralize communication, automate workflows, and track all customer interactions, leading to more efficient and personalized customer service. This integration offers a host of benefits, including the ability to send real-time responses, access communication histories, and automate follow-up messages, all within the Big N CRM system. Before beginning the integration process, there are several prerequisites to meet. First, businesses need an active Bigin CRM account. Bigin offers various pricing plans, so selecting the one that best fits the needs of the business is crucial. Second, businesses must have a WhatsApp business account. As personal WhatsApp accounts do not support the necessary integrations, the WhatsApp Business API is also required to enable communication between WhatsApp and Bigin CRM, and businesses must apply for access to this API. Furthermore, third-party services like Twilio or 360 Dialog may be necessary to help connect the WhatsApp Business API to Bigin CRM, simplifying the process of setting up and managing the integration. The integration process begins with setting up a WhatsApp business account. This involves downloading the WhatsApp business app and registering a business phone number. After setting up the account, businesses need to request access to the WhatsApp Business API through WhatsApp's official website. Once approved, businesses will receive the necessary credentials to proceed with the integration. Following this, third-party services such as Twilio or 360 Dialog are typically used to bridge the gap between the WhatsApp Business API and Bigin CRM. These services provide the API credentials required to link WhatsApp to the CRM system and offer additional tools for managing communication. Twilio, for example, allows businesses to create a WhatsApp center, and after completing the setup, businesses can access the API credentials like the account SID and authentication token. With these credentials in hand, businesses can move on to the next step of the integration. Once the API credentials are obtained, the next step is to integrate WhatsApp with BigN CRM. To do this, businesses log in to their BigN CRM account and navigate to the integration section under Settings. From there, businesses select WhatsApp as the integration option and enter the API credentials provided by their third-party service. The integration process typically involves entering details such as the account SID and authentication token from Twilio or the API key from 360 Dialog. After completing this step, businesses can configure the integration by setting up message automation features, customizing response templates, and choosing how WhatsApp messages should be logged and tracked within the CRM. Testing the integration is essential at this stage to ensure that WhatsApp messages are being received and sent directly through the BigN platform. Once the integration is complete, businesses can begin using WhatsApp with BigN CRM. All incoming and outgoing WhatsApp messages are logged in the CRM system, providing a comprehensive view of customer interactions. This enables businesses to track conversions, monitor customer inquiries, and respond promptly from within the CRM interface. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.